Hiring managers, where is the bad in your good? Okay, here's what I mean. Where are your strengths sometimes holding you back? People leaders, hiring managers, my clients are some of the very best people that you can surround yourself with because you guys are positive, you are high energy, you are fun, and you are even very, very nice. But where is being nice sometimes holding you back? I'll give you an example. Some of the very best parts of my day are when one of my clients calls me, one of my hiring manager clients, and maybe they call to discuss candidates, maybe they want to talk about the interview process, maybe they want to vent, maybe they want to share a challenge that they're having, and we sometimes end up having a lot of laughs, and it's really great. And unless I'm in a meeting, I will stop what I'm doing and I will let them talk to me for as long as they want to, because this is an opportunity for me to connect with a high value individual who appreciates the value that I bring, and I get to appreciate the impact that they're making on me, and vice versa. And that is just the absolute best feeling, the best thing, that something that we all want, connection. Okay, so one of my hiring managers one day calls me and we're discussing candidates, and she lets me know that one of my candidates for X specific reason is actually not going to be a fit, because for this territory we need X and this candidate doesn't have X. But then she said, but I'm still going to interview her because I said that I would. And I said, okay, wait a minute, can we explore this decision for just a moment? Because you already said that this candidate is not a fit for this particular opening. It doesn't mean that they're not a great person, not a great candidate, but for your opening, they're not a fit, and you know the reason why. Yet you are choosing to spend your time preparing for the interview, doing the interview, and so that's gonna be an hour and 15 minutes minimum right there. And then afterwards, you're gonna have to spend more time redirecting your focus to something that actually is a priority. And that choice to waste your time is going to end up distracting your focus for the rest of the day and slowing your momentum. Because let's think about it. Is there anything more annoying than time wasted? In my book, no, which is why I love helping leaders save time. Here's the thing. You're a good person who is nice, who cares about people. That is one of the reasons that you are in your leadership role. However, when you spend your time, when you choose to spend your time focusing in areas where you're not going to make an impact, that is time taken away from areas that you can make an impact on your other priorities and helping your team as well. So then how often are you making this decision to waste your time? How many times a day? How many times per week? How many times per year? It ends up being a lot of time wasted, taken away from your leadership responsibilities and in areas where you could be making a greater impact. So how can you start to make some shifts here? First, what you want to do is pay attention to your emotions to help you make some shifts in managing your time, not just in the interview process, but your overall leadership duties and balancing your time better. You want to think about, pay attention to how you're feeling, because your emotions are pointing you in the right direction. But are you listening? The direction toward or away from this candidate, toward or away from this meeting or this task. And then the next thing you want to do is change your perspective. Change the way you're looking at the situation, because when we change our perspective, we change our life. For example, start to look at it as not just when you're being nice to the candidate, for example, by doing the interview, even though you know they're not going to be a fit, is that really being nice to the candidate? Because this candidate has other priorities too. So pay attention to your emotions, and when you change your perspective, you change your life. This will help you better balance your leadership duties and your time management throughout the interview process. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, I invite you to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you are a hiring manager, you're a leader, and you have a question that you want to see if I can help you with, even if I'm not your consultant, even if I'm not your recruiter, reach out. I'm happy to connect with you on the phone and see if I can help. Shoot me an email at amy@troikatalentacquisitions.com and we'll have a chat. Until the next one, happy hiring.